Hello. Welcome to our Speakeasy course. Here you will find easy practical lessons to develop your English. We will study and practice pronunciation, the sounds of the language, collocations, words that usually appear together, phrasal verbs, verbs that have more than one word. The idea is to understand how people use English, so we can use it too. We are going to use words and expressions. Words, we already know what they are, a combination of sounds or written letters that represent something, like an object or idea. Think of a word you know in English. For example, apple. You can think of many more if you want. And what are expressions? We use many of them every day. Maybe you already know this too. They are combinations of words. We call them expressions because they represent a single idea. That is, all the words in an expression mean only one thing, so they work like words. For example, apple, banana, strawberry. Each word means a different thing, in this case, different fruit. But, can I have, is an expression. We use it to ask for something that we want. For example, can I have an apple, please? With the same expression, we can ask for many different things. We just need to change the word for each thing we want to ask for. Easy. If we learn to combine words and expressions in English, we can use the language much better than if we try to build everything word per word. So, let's begin with pronunciation, the sounds. We need to remember that the sounds of English can be represented by different letters, and different combinations of letters. This is why we represent the sounds using phonemic symbols instead of letters. Each phonemic symbol represents a single sound, so we don't get confused. To make our work easier, we are going to use 3 tools. An interactive chart, with the phonemic symbols that represent each sound in the English language. A phonemic translator, that translates words into phonemic symbols. And a talking dictionary, that says the words out loud. You can find these tools online, and they are free to use. Just click on the links in the description of this video. Now let's have a look at the phonemic chart. We just click on any symbol to hear the sound and an example of a word which has that sound.
E. Sheep. Better. Tie. Chicken. Sing. Shoe.
What about the phonemic translator? Check it out. We can type any word here, and then click on Show Transcription to see the word written in phonemic symbols. Like care, key, skill, scared. Note that the word care has 4 letters, C-A-R-E, and just 2 sounds,
Air.
and that the same sound appears at the beginning of the word key, even though it is spelled with K instead of C. Film, laugh. Note how the same sound at the beginning of the word film appears at the end of the word laugh, represented by the GH combination instead of F. Some of the phonemic symbols are the same as the letters of the alphabet, so we write them between slashes, like, because the letters have a different sound when they stand alone. To practice what we studied today, think of 5 words in English. Write them down. Check that you have the right spelling. Use the talking dictionary to hear the words out loud and repeat after you hear them. Use the phonemic translator to identify each sound. Use the phonemic chart to hear each sound out loud. And then practice saying each sound and the whole word out loud. See you next week. Have fun.